Good morning, my Christmas friends. Don't even say it's too early. You don't even know what I'm about to show you, so don't even say that this Christmas tree is too much or too early. Oh boy. What? I got nothing to hide. I don't know what you're talking about. I do have to go to an RV park or campground once a week just to get stuff, so I'm lucky this time I actually got to go to a really nice campground here at the Mississippi Palisades State Park. And don't be alarmed by what's going on behind me. I don't do this all the time, but I did need to set up everything just to see if everything works, to see if any fans needed to be replaced or anything, and make sure everything is in tip-top shape for the holiday season. So this is my Christmas setup here, displaying it a little early, making sure everything works. Of course, the Clark Griswold family station wagon with the Christmas tree uprooted. I got my Mickey and Minnie playing Christmas tunes at the piano there. The LED strip light and my Bluetooth speaker lights are on. My Christmas wreath on the front, battery-powered Christmas lights going. And not to be outdone, Chevy Chase himself, Sparky, getting electrocuted. Isn't that great, guys? These decorations are all perfect for an RVer, in case you didn't know, because they all go in tiny little boxes, and then you inflate them, and then they're huge and awesome. So, Christmas week, I will have these set up in December, and if I spend anywhere in December for more than one night, I will set them up as well. Just wanted to make sure they're all working and everything, don't worry. I love Christmas, but I'm not going to be setting these up every day in November. All right, all packed up. The sun is definitely out now. Just going to dump the tanks, fill up water, and dump my trash on the way out. And we will start here in Illinois, going down the Great River Road, but we may cross back over into Iowa before the end of the day. We'll see. So I've come to the conclusion that if you are near the Mississippi River, if you live near it or you have a business near it, you just expect that it's going to flood. And you're just okay with that. So this is like the fourth park that is completely underwater. It's really, and this is the fall, you know, this is, I can understand in the spring because the snowpack is melting and just, you know, just flooding all the time. But in the fall, this seems strange to me, but like I said, I'm getting used to it. That mighty Mississippi is unpredictable. Hi again, Mississippi River, and goodbye, Illinois. We're going to cut back into Iowa for the rest of the late afternoon. You can see how low the sun is. We're kind of losing daylight here. I had some other projects going on, but don't worry about that. Yeah, the people of Iowa welcome you. Well, thank you for the welcome. Snake Alley? Okay, I'm curious. That sounds creepy. Oh, look at the Mississippi River down there. That's awesome. Wait, that's it? Snake Alley? I don't even know what that means. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. I took you guys to the acclaimed world's crookedest street in San Francisco, California. Remember that? Well, this one's still worth a look because it's Snake Alley, circa 1894, and it is crooked. It's mostly cobblestone, and there's no way the RV is going to fit down that road. Scary, huh? It's not terribly steep, but it is definitely steep. I was wrong when I said cobblestone. It's not really cobblestone, but it's old brick. I don't understand the point. Like, why did they make this? Just for fun? Just for like a tourist attraction? I'm not sure. They're sure loving it with all the signage. You can't miss it off the highway. Sometimes things don't go as planned. I thought I would get to see somebody drive. I've been standing here for 10 minutes waiting for someone to turn up or down. No, it's a one way. So I will wait a little bit longer. Or would my RV fit? Don't do it, Eric. I may be the first and only RV to ever attempt this. So far, so good. Oh, hit a little bump there. Uh-oh. Well, they're going to make it right there. Hang on. Hang on. Back up a little bit. Was it worth it, Eric? Yeah, it was totally worth it, Eric. Oh my gosh. Crunch. Yep. Making it. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, Eric. Okay. Hey, it's not how pretty you make it down, it's if you make it down. And guess what? We're gonna make it down. That's right. What's that noise? I think my tires are... Oh my gosh. Sorry if there's anybody behind me. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna make it right there. Mission accomplished. Disclaimer, do not attempt that in your RV. That was fun. That was fun. Just want to prove to you that the RV is still in one piece. Here at the bottom they have a little bit of information about Snake Alley, like celebrating 100 years, built in 1894, and 275 feet. The street rises over 58.3 feet, 21% grade. I was clearly wrong. 21% grade is a huge grade. Probably the steepest hill I've ever driven the RV on, and obviously now the crookedest. We can mark that off my bucket list. I want a magnet. I earned that magnet. You guys see this fog? Yeah, and see, if you're wondering what happened to the middle of my day, I was working on another project today, but don't worry, I'm not gonna chip my YouTube video. I will make the most of it. Once we get parked here, I'll have a little chat with you. Well, you can't see anything, but I'm gonna try to boondock about 30 feet from the Mississippi River here in this parking lot. Go walk over here 30 feet. So there's my RV. Not gonna be very quiet. We've got an overpass right there above me. And then the Mississippi River, a full moon out there, kind of creepy. So I imagine it'll look better tomorrow, but not really much to show tonight. So I will cut back in the morning, guys. Good morning, friends and family at YouTube. Nothing like waking up to see the sunrise on the Mississippi River. What a gorgeous day. Basically, this turned out to be my favorite boondocking spot so far since I started this Great River Road trip. Seriously, no problem staying here. There was no rowdy hooligan teenagers throwing parties in the lot here. And woke up to notice we're right next to this really cool paddle boat over there. But there is the Zhiyun Verity paddle boat, which is also a museum in there, a little Mississippi River museum, but not open. Yeah. And like other places along the Mississippi River the last few weeks, this place has flooded bad. This is usually just concrete, but now it's like caked mud and dirt, and I guess they've been working on clearing some of it. There's just a lot of work still to do here. I guess it just never ends. In the city of Keokuk, not quite sure how you pronounce that, but I need to make some breakfast and some coffee. We got the heat on already, and then I'll be getting on the road on south in the Great River Road. So be looking forward to a new video on Monday, guys. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. From Jax and I, we will see you soon. Bye, guys.